Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will explore how to fix the Messenger video call sound problem. Many users experience issues with audio during video calls, which can be frustrating. Don't worry, we will go through this step by step to ensure you can enjoy seamless conversations. First, let's check your device's audio settings. Make sure the volume is turned up and that your device is not muted. You can do this by adjusting the volume buttons on your device or checking the sound settings in the control panel. If your device's audio is working fine, we can move on to the next step. Next, ensure that Messenger has the necessary permissions to access your microphone. To do this, go to your device settings, find the Messenger app, and check the permissions. Make sure the microphone access is enabled. If it's not, toggle it on and then restart the app. If you are still experiencing issues, try updating the Messenger app. Outdated versions can sometimes cause functionality problems. Go to your app store, search for Messenger, and see if an update is available. If so, install the latest version and test your video call again. Another common fix is to clear the app cache. This can resolve many performance issues. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, find Messenger, and select Clear Cache. For iOS, you may need to uninstall and reinstall the app to clear the cache. Finally, if none of these steps work, consider checking your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can affect audio quality during calls. Make sure you are connected to a strong Wi-Fi network or have sufficient mobile data. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. We appreciate your support.